When you open your mind to the impossible, sometimes you find the truth. Builderall is the most complete and affordable digital marketing platform. That is why most people think there is a catch. So, a free trial is the solution.
I don't know what this is, but it's kind of hot.
Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what is the third and last bonus that you get with the masterclass on the top 10 businesses to make money online with. This masterclass by David Sharp. You can see David Sharp here, and it looks like he's giving you the finger, but not at all. He's doing this sign, like this. Yeah, perfect. He's not doing the other sign. Don't worry about it. I don't know why they shoot this picture, but anyway, the third bonus is my top ad, email, video, and phone scripts and template. In the top 10 businesses to make money online with masterclass, you will receive for free my top converting ads, complete with breakdowns of why they worked, so you can drive loads of quality traffic and keep your Facebook and Google accounts compliant. So important. He's talking about Facebook and Google ads account in particular, because when you run ads, they need to be compliant in terms of not promising money, things like this. If you are into this, this kind of business where the drive is to make money online and you promote those kind of things, you need in the ad, it's like a weight loss. There are some rules to follow. You cannot go crazy on those. So he's giving you his top converting ads and why they work and why they are compliant, why they don't go over the line. Then you get a complete email follow-up series, so you don't have to write them, that's good. So you can deliver the maximum value and create the deepest bond with your leads and convert the highest amount of sales. Studies show 80% of sales are made after 5 follow-ups. So it's so important your follow-up game is on point. Yes. You need email autoresponder and an email sequence, and you need to write those emails. So when you get a series of follow-up emails, at least you can copy and paste and then modify a little bit to put your name if you want and do things. It helps you get things started. You don't start from a blank page, blank nothing. You have a series of emails and you can add to them and modify them if you want, or just let them like they are. So it's good. You can advance, keep on going, don't get blocked. Then you also get a powerful video script. So you will know exactly what to say to pre-frame your offer to your prospect. The secret to sales is to deliver value instead of just pitching all the time. Remember this? The secret to sales is to deliver value instead of just pitching all the time. So on your video, you will give value, and then by the way, you can get this in order to do what I just said. And this way it will be easier to sell instead of just saying, oh, look at this wonderful product, you can have it for this price. This is typical ad, but it's harder. You need to show it to more people. But when you provide value, some people will take the value and don't take the product, but then others will think about the product as the continuation, the logical step forward to the value that you have given. So what he says the secret to sales is to deliver value instead of just pitching all the time. I show you how, and it's easier than you think. This is good because it's a video script. So you have the script, and then you can record yourself saying the script. So it will be your video, yourself talking, and you can arrange it to match your product, but you will follow the script. So this is good, because otherwise you will be like me, starting video not knowing what to say and end up looking like a fool and not selling anything because you don't know how. And that's what I do. I just make video, and in the description you have links that sell some products that I am selling. I think it's Builderall in this video. That's how you do it. I don't try to sell on video. When I do, it's pathetic. So I will look at this powerful video script, and I will do a video in order to sell Builderall later. First, I'm finishing this one. So lastly, what you get is the old faithful phone script that has never failed me in 10 years. Close more mid and high ticket sales than you ever thought possible. You receive the script and a breakdown of exactly how to use it. If you only hate sales because you suck at it, oh, that's bad. This will change that, I promise. This is true that I don't like not sales. I like sales. I don't mind, but fun. Talking to one person in order to sell. No, this I don't do. And yes, maybe I suck at it. I don't know. I haven't tried really. I don't close mid and high ticket sales at all. So maybe you don't mind or you like talking, so you will benefit from it. But we don't have to use everything on the phone or by calling in Messenger, Facebook Messenger. You can call. When I do, it's not for selling, just for talking with other affiliate marketer. But you can use them and try it just for fun. Maybe I will try for fun to sell something. Maybe sell just Builderall. It's not a mid-high ticket, but I don't mind. If I fail, if it doesn't work, so what? Just for fun, because you pay all this. So this was the third bonus of the masterclass. You pay $7 for the masterclass. Then for the bonus number 1, to get a free trial of Builderall, I already have Builderall, but you get a free trial of Builderall. Then bonus number 2, you get all sales funnels already made, and I don't know what. I think a series of emails. No, it's in bonus number 3. So anyway, you get all this package for $7, and then you can play with it and find the top business or top businesses that you want to pursue. Then you can play with it. It's only $7, so it's you don't think about it, but after you can use it. It's like a game for adults. So that's it for all the bonuses. Now I say to you, bye bye.
Don't let your kids watch it!